What's the first thing you would do when you come into hotel room? It's so comfortable, it's so relaxing. Will you just sit on the couch like what I'm doing now? How clean can you ensure this couch is secure for you to sit on? Hi, welcome to Danny On The Go Special Tips. I'm Danny. In this episode, I'm going to show you how clean the couch in the hotel room. Unlike the pillowcase, the bed sheets, they are actually removable, meaning the housekeeping staff, they will actually change it or clean it properly. But in terms of this couch, for example, the fabric on top, it can be removed actually. So will the housekeeping staff actually clean it properly or not? And as you know, there are many people stay in one room. Who knows and who will actually can predict who will sit on this or rather jump on it? You know, some kids, they're wearing shoes, they like to jump on one things to another things. There are people actually don't know whether they are clean or not, they will actually sit on it. And is it really clean or not? I'm not sure. I'm going to check it for you now. Okay, right here with me is this vacuum cleaner that I purposely brought it from my home. This vacuum cleaner is to vacuum cushions, fabrics. For the purpose of demonstrations, I actually brought it here in this hotel room to check whether is this couch clean or not. Let's try it. I'm going to vacuum on the surface first. Okay, I just did the vacuum on the surface only of the couch, and I purposely lay a piece of white tissue so that you will see whether is it really clean. It's easy to see on the white surface itself. So I open this vacuum cleaner, the filter, and I'm going to knock the HEPA filter out to see whether is it really clean or not. Now, normally at home on my own sofa, I will normally clean once a month, and indeed even my home sofa will have a lot of particles inside. So even 1 month. Imagine this is a hotel where a lot of people staying here, and I'm not sure whether it's really clean or not, but to be honest, I know it's not clean, but I just want to know how dirty it is. So here it is, the HEPA filter is inside, and you just need to remove it and to see how dirty it is. Now from here, I really can see it has a lot of things inside already. This is not the HEPA filter, but just the surface of the filter. You can see there's a lot of dust already accumulated here. Oh, gross. I haven't even knocked the filter out. And imagine if I knock it out, you can see how many things inside, how much particles inside, and how dirty it is. Now let's try knocking it afterwards. So with these are the dust that actually cannot go through these filters, and the HEPA filters will accumulate of a lot of dust, that actually smaller dust particles that on the sofa surface, which I just vacuumed. I'm going to knock on the surface of this tissue to see whether is it really clean or not. Look, with just a few knock, how much of this, I don't know what is this called, is it dust or whatever particles they have on the sofa itself. And people that knows me well and follow my video, they know that I don't really sit on the sofa video itself, and this is the reason why I don't sit on it. That is horrible. To be honest, I vacuum my home so far almost once a week, and the result came out will not as dirty as this. And I'm not sure how long did the housekeeping people did they actually vacuum it before or not. So yeah, the housekeeping people have to thank me for vacuuming this sofa for them actually. So next time when you come to this hotel or any hotel rooms, when you look at the couch, will you actually sit on it or not? Share me in the comment if you dare to sit on it. And do like my video and subscribe if you like it, so that I can show more videos on different places to you and more tips as well. I'll see you on my next video. Till then, bye!